Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan ED75 1.5 PHEV DSG with a powerful 204 horsepower engine and sleek grey exterior. This vehicle is packed with comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, collision alert and trailer stability program. The luxurious interior boasts cup holders, ambient lighting and wireless charging. For added peace of mind, the Tiguan comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line SUV. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today to learn more about the incredible 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan ED75 1.5 PHEV DSG.